So in jazz, chords go much higher than in other styles of music. Most styles just have root, third, and fifth. But in jazz, we keep going up the stack. So root, third, and fifth. We can go up to a seventh. We can go up to a ninth. We can go up to 11th. And we can go up to a 13th, which is A. Now 13 is the highest number you see in jazz because if you went up another third, you'd come back to the root. So you don't see 15th chords or 17th chords. 13 is the highest number. And the reason that we call this 9, 11, 13 instead of 2, 4, and 6 is it's to reflect the fact that we're building chords. And chords skip every other note. They're built in thirds, so the numbering reflects that. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Whereas if you're talking about a scale, you would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because scales are built in step. Now in jazz, the root, third, fifth, and seventh are what's called chord tones. These are lower down the chord, and these really set the foundation of what chord type it is, whether it's a major 7 chord, a minor 7 chord, or a dominant 7 chord. And then the 9th, the 11th, and 13th are called chord extensions, also known as the extended harmony notes. Now you can add chord extensions to any chord as you're playing through a jazz song, whether it's a major 7 chord, a minor 7 chord, or a dominant 7 chord. Now, to find a chord extension, we always build off the major scale. So if we have a C chord, regardless of whether it's a major 7 chord, minor 7, or dominant 7, the 9th is always going to be based off of the major scale. So you map out the notes of C major scale, whole step, then a half step between 3 and 4, and then whole step, whole step. So you only have to find the 9th, 11th, and 13th, and these extensions are always based off the major scale. So let's say you're on an F chord, and you want to find the 9th. You just imagine an F major scale, and you find the 9th that way. If you want the 11th, count up an F major scale, would be whole step, and then half step. And if you want to add the 13th, just run up F major scale, and it's going to be a D. Now in addition, these chord extensions could be sharpened or flattened. So over a C7 chord, D is the natural 9th, but we could make it a flat 9, in which case you just move it down a half step. D flat is the flat 9. Or you could make it a sharp 9, just sharpen it, D sharp. Now these are called altered extensions when you sharpen or flatten them. Now there's only 4 common altered extensions. These are always found over dominant 7 chords. Those are going to be the flat 9, the sharp 9, the sharp 11, and the flat 13. And the trick to finding any extension is to run up the notes of the major scale first, find the natural extension, and then if you want to alter it, do that next. So if you want the flat 13, find the natural 13th first, it's A, and then flatten it. If you want the sharp 11th, find the natural 11th first, major scale to the 4th, which is the 11th, and then sharpen it. And if you want the sharp 9, find the natural 9 first by running up the major scale, and then sharpen it. And if you want the flat 9, natural 9 first, then flatten it.